Alright guys, so our next little extravaganza is going to call for 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1, 2, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Tonight's extravaganza is going to call for taco bell peppers, taco stuffed bell peppers. So we're going to mix this up. We're going to throw in 1 pound of hamburger meat, and we'll see you over on the oven in a minute. Alright, as the pan is getting up to heat, we have 1 medium to large onion chopped roughly, 1 jalapeno chopped roughly. We're going to add that into the meat, and we'll see you over there. Alright, so we got all our spices and our veggies in, and we're going to let this just rock and roll on down. See you in a few. I'll leave it going and speed it up so you get to see how it reduces down and how often I'm stirring, all that good stuff. Later. So while we got the beef going, we have chopped the tops off our bell onions, gutted them, and freshly grated, see there's a grater, freshly grated 2 cups of sharp cheddar. Alright, see you in a minute. So now we are going to throw in 12 ounces of cauliflower rice. I've already cooked it. It's good and hot. Get it in with all the good fat and the veggies and the spices. You can actually turn your heat off at this point. And here's we throw in our cheese. Now we're going to grate up some more to top it off, but the 2 cups go directly into that mix. Alright, we're going to move some stuff around and I'll show you how I stuff the peppers. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our peppers. We're going to go over to our pan. And we are going to stuff that bad boy. I guess I should show you actually how it's getting stuffed. So just like that. Alright, so here we go again. We are going to, I was incorrect. I needed it 375. And we're going to put some of the fresh shredded cheese on top. You know, I used to buy all that pre-shredded stuff until I started learning about all of the caking agents and the other shit they put in it. Not to mention the fact that per ounce it's more expensive. All right, kids, I'm going to put it in an oven, 375 for 20 minutes. We are going to cover it for the first 20 and then uncover it for another 20. Whoa. We're going to keep all that moisture in there to cook those peppers nice and tender. You would not believe the aroma this thing is giving off. So we're going to set our oven to, you know what? We're going to go for 30 minutes actually. So timer 30. All right, so we're fresh out of the oven. Oh, look at that shit there, baby. Look at that. So now, sorry I'm making all the crunchy noise. Now we're going to throw it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Timer 2000 start. All right, we'll see you again later. All right, guys, so that was our other 20 minutes. This is our terrible taco stuffed bell peppers, kicking ass, taking names. They're going to be hot. They've been in an oven at 375 degrees. So I'm going to pause it, I'm going to plate it, and I'm going to cut it to show you the magical goodness of these mofos. All right, see you in a second. All right, here we go, here we go. Look at that. All right, so let's do is just look at that. Now you can throw a little extra garnish of cheese or cilantro or anything else. You can put some crema, some sour cream, some guacamole, whatever you want. They're good and done. Ooh, look at that. All right, guys, we love you. Take care. Have a great night. There it is, dressed. Scoop of sour cream, scoop of guac. We're good to go. Love y'all.